Okay guys, so we're going to be making a Korean style sauce. So to make our sauce, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, okay. We're going to need 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Alright, now that this is fragrant, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water. Alright, I'm going to add, let's get some of this out here. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Let's just stir this so we can get our sugar to dissolve. Alright, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of tamari soy sauce. Now to make this a Korean style sauce, you would add at this point in time 3 tablespoons of gochujang, but I don't have that, so I'm going to substitute with Frank's hot sauce. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of that. Of course, if you have gochujang, then you can add that. And that is what makes it Korean. All right, so let's just stir everything together. And lastly, I will add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt to this. All right, about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So there you have it, folks, our Korean style sauce.